Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera, as usual, as always. Am I supposed to say as always and as usual? I don't know. Anyways guys, in today's episode I am at one of the public parks we have in the coast city states of Nigeria. I'm talking about Enugu. So I'm currently at the Unity Park and I want to give you guys a very detailed tour of this park, what it looks like, the things you should be expecting here, why it's like the most sought after park in Enugu currently and the entire southeast. So if you want to see everything that is to be seen here, to know everything that is to be known here, and why this is like the best option for you to come and relax on a very chilly day and all of that in the coast city, keep watching this video and remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share your comments and your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you guys right inside the video. Guys, talking about the location of this park is located, not currently, it has always been at Independence Lot. Formerly it was known as the Pine Forest. So if you've lived in Enugu, if you're very conversant with Enugu, you know that Pine Forest in front of the government house by the side of Okoh Square, and somewhere along where you have Toscana Hotel is over there, where you have your High Court, Court of Appeal and all of these things. This park, or that Pine Forest, was turned into this park. So all the government needed to do was to take down some trees, put up some structures that I'll be showing you guys shortly, and turned it into this recreational park where I can actually come and sit down. People are actually around taking pictures and doing a whole lot of lovely things. So if you're trying to locate this park, it's at Independence Lot. That former Pine Forest is now known as Unity Park. So let's go check out some of the structures put in place by the government. Let's go. Talking about the structures in this park, I'll have to first of all talk about this very big massive lion behind me. Now I'm talking about Enugu and lion. We have a lot of lions in Enugu. I don't know what, like, maybe in case you know, is there any historical relationship between us and lions, like the people of Enugu and lions? I'm asking this because we have a lot of lion things going on in Enugu. Our government house is called the Lion Building. In front of it is a lion. There's another place that has lion in it. Along this road you're going to see the lion. I think because of the Lion Building. Now at this park there's a massive lion, and this is like the largest monument or sculptural work in this park. So if you know more than me that we are somehow related to lions, maybe that's why we keep paying tribute and respect to lions in Enugu, just share that in the comment section. I'll really like to know. But one of the greatest and most obvious features or monuments you're going to see in this park is this lion. And I think on the foot, or at the foot, there are a couple of offices or something, maybe change room for the people that work here there. So but it's very big. Now moving away from the lion, the next thing we have here are the concrete pavements. These pavements are made to direct people on how to navigate the park so that they don't step or march on the green area, because there are lots of green areas here. Of course, this is a natural park, you should expect a lot of green areas. So this concrete pathway runs through the entire park, guiding you to various parts of this park. So if you want to really have a feel or go through this park, you just have to keep walking on the walkway and it's going to take you around this park. Now moving away from the walkway, the next thing we have here are the seats. In this park there are different and several types of seats, guys. We have the concrete seats that are made of basic concrete where you can sit down and chill. It has a backrest. Then there are those of them that do not have backrest, that are more like benches that are made of metals, so there are those ones, and there are other metallic ones that were really well designed that are also placed there. So sitting is not really an issue here because of these various options where you can sit. And moving away from the seat, other things here you will find are mini shelters. For me, I feel these mini shelters were put in place to provide shelter in case of rainy days. I mean, they are not so big, there are not a lot of them, but it can provide you shelter until the rain stops, and you can be able to go get your car, because cars are not allowed inside of this park. Now moving away from the shelters, the next thing you find here are waste bins. There are strategic dustbins at strategic points here. This is to encourage people behaving like human beings. You do not litter here, okay? There are signposts telling you that, but just in case you do not read the signposts, there are also dustbins at strategic points. So whatever it is you feed on, because people come here for picnic, to hang out or whatever, so just dispose your trash properly as a proper human being. I know Enugu people are very neat people, but I'm telling you this in case you're coming from outside Enugu and you want to hang out here, please dispose your waste properly. Now moving away from that, there are also solar panels that provide lighting here at night. And guys, this park is usually very beautiful at night. There's a very beautiful night scene, and unfortunately I cannot film here at night for obvious reasons and all of that, but perhaps I think I have a picture or more of this park at night. I'm going to drop that somewhere on the screen, but in case you do not see that, this park is actually very beautiful. It has the solar panel that lights here up at night, giving it the whole, I mean, destination honeymoon whatever feeling. But I'm not saying you should come here at night. And moving away from the lighting, other things you also find here moving down is the waterway. Yes, an artificial pond or lake was created here by people who renovated it, and inside this pond there are fishes are expected to grow there from what I read. And also I saw there is this mini boat for boat cruise, so in case you are here when everything is set up and you want to, you know, cruise around the little lake made here in that boat, you can hop into that if you have enough liver. What we say in pidgin, if you hold liver, if your liver is big, you can fall into that mini boat and, you know, cruise your way around this park. Now moving away from that park, from the water area, another thing you find in abundance here are the monuments. There are a lot of them which I'll be showing you guys, such as this one and the other one. So these are the things that beautify this park. And now another thing that is like the main thing you find in this park are lots of pine trees. These pine trees, of course you already know, pine trees grow very tall. They provide canopy for this park, so that is why you have to come in here, and the scorching sun will not kill you or will not turn you into a very proud melanin king or queen. So the pine trees are here in abundance, and they provide shelter like I said. And that's basically about this park. So that's everything you get to see in this park, okay? Talking about what people can do here, you can come here for your picnic, for just chilling. I see a lot of people who are here for photo shoot or photo session, whatever it is you want to call it. So if you want to take like some outdoor vibe kind of thing in a natural place, you can come in here. And currently there is a set of people shooting movie here. So this is also serving as a movie location. And if you guys can recall, if like grew up in Enugu like in the early 2000s, when I know something then, I'm not talking about in the 90s, like I could barely remember anything. This pine forest, the original pine forest, served as a movie location, so it's still offering that service as a movie location. So there are a couple of guys here on set doing Nollywood movies. They're over there. Then there is this other family down there with their newborn kid, you know, just relaxing. And I've seen two boys, and I've also seen two lovers. They were holding hands. That's why I assumed and concluded they are lovers. In case they are brothers and sisters, I don't know. But the way they were holding each other, I know that love something is going on. Okay, so you and your lover can come here and chillax. And me, I love love. If you guys have noticed on this channel, anything that's positive and lovely, I like it. So these are the kind of things you can come here and do. And like I said, you always have to maintain this place and keep it clean. That is why there are lots of trash bins. And I'm talking about maintenance, because a place like this, it's open to the public and it's very easy for a lot of people to mess it up. This place has workers, a good number of them, like a huge number of them. There are over 20. From what I counted, there are over 20 men and women that work here every day. They clean up here, they drain the sewage, and you know, they just do a whole lot of things. That's why you can come here and be comfortable to even eat something. You can be comfortable to sit around and to do whatever it is you want to do. So these men come here, tidy the whole place and maintain it. Now, talking about admission, how do people get in here? Getting in here is actually very free. Like I had to state it because a lot of people in Enugu feel like you have to pay a certain kind of money to come in here. No, unless they might start that in the future. But currently, as of last week, as of last year, as of this moment that I'm currently filming here, which is what month is this? This is April 2021. In case they use my video as litigation against me, that Vera said, as of today, April 2021, admission into this park is so free. So you can come in here every day, Mondays through Sundays, from 12 p.m. in the afternoon to 6 p.m. in the evening. That is when this park opens to the public. So if you come here earlier enough, they're not going to let you in. If you come here later than 6 p.m., they're also not going to let you in. But from anything from 12 to 6 p.m., they're going to let you in. And I think that's basically all about that. So if you have more questions, which I doubt you have, the comment section is quite very open to you guys. So just tell me what you think about this park. Is it nice? Is it worth it? Is it something you can come around and hang out? I mean, the ambience, I like it, except for the fact, the only thing, I'm going to be honest with you guys, the only thing I do not exactly like about the park is the location. It's cool though, but there are cars passing by. So it's located in a somewhat busy area. So there are areas of this park where you sit, and at the peak hours of the day, cars from the roads will be disturbing you. But aside from that, here's a very nice place, a very chill place for you to think about your life. If you're creative like myself, you can get inspiration from all of those wonderful things chilling here. And I think that's all about that. So thank me in the comment section for taking you guys around this wonderful park, and just tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so one thing I forgot to add, I was just about leaving until I saw this. Yeah, they have restrooms for the male and for the female, so you can always feel at home, feel at ease if you're in this park. So that's all about this Unity Park, guys, and I'll be heading home. I'm not sure there's anything I left out. If there's anything, when you come here, point it out, tell me in the description, rather tell me in the comment section, and you know, let's have fun. I'm tired, guys. I've walked around this park. This park is actually very massive. Like, this you guys know I use here a lot for most of my outdoor videos, but I just use a particular spot. Today actually gave me the opportunity to tour here, and guys, I'm sweating, I'm exhausted. I've lost like 10 kg just walking around this park. It's actually very massive and it's very airy, and they put a lot of things in considerations, right? So kudos to the government and whoever that was behind this. You guys really tried, but I'm looking forward for a lot of improvement. But so far so good. Here is good, and like I said, there is restroom here, and yeah, I believe you. See you final bye bye, last one.